Hi, my health enthusiasts. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm so glad that you're here. Today we are doing my 25-week pregnancy update. Not a ton has changed. Baby, we'll go ahead and talk about baby right now. Baby is huge. That's about the biggest thing that's changed. My hunger has kind of slowed down. I think I told you in the last video that I was waking up in the middle of the night, like starving. I was waking up in the middle of the night at like midnight baking potatoes and oatmeal, whatever I could get my hands on because I was so hungry. But yeah, that's kind of subsided, which is nice. I have had a little bit of heartburn again this week, which hasn't been too great. We just had our doctor's appointment yesterday and that went really well. The baby is growing. The doctor said that the baby is likely to double in size, and I'm like, wait, it like just doubled in size. Like, what do you mean it's gonna double in size? And she said this month is like baby growing month. With that said, I will say the last 2 weeks or so I got my energy back, so I've been able to work out and do my normal workouts. I've been making sure that I get some sort of pretty easy to digest carb before my workout, and like quite a bit. I used to work out on an empty stomach and I felt fine. I've been doing that for years and felt great. Not anymore. Can't do that anymore, which is fine. Sleeping's still been really good. My app keeps saying that these like weeks are gonna be sleeping's like tough. Not really. Hasn't really happened. I am going to talk about something that maybe is a little bit TMI for some of you, but this is my pregnancy vlog, so I want to be totally honest. Dreams. I've heard a lot about people saying dreams, and I've had some very R-rated dreams with my husband, which is very strange. I'll wake up, and I've never really, been like that. We've always had a very healthy sexual relationship, but these dreams are like long and just crazy. So I know my hormones are really spiked right now. But just when I'm sleeping, which is the weirdest thing. Aside from that, I stopped taking my choline. Choline was what I believe was causing my my tiredness, my heartburn. I was having a really hard time with heartburn. I was having a little bit of an issue with an ulcer, and I read into it, and choline actually is dangerous for people to take that have ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. So I went ahead and stopped taking that, and I've just been trying to eat my way through choline, which is what I believe anyway, but when you're pregnant, it's really important to, you know, try to get those things in as much as possible in addition to what you're taking pill form. So I just stopped taking the pill form, which I'm completely fine with. My doctor still has me on 5,000 IUs of vitamin D, and it's been really cloudy out lately and kind of icky here in California, so I probably need to up that even, because even when I was laying in the sun for an hour a day, I was still low on vitamin D, so I probably am going to up that. Yeah, so let's get into baby this week. It says that baby learned equilibrium. For those of you who are watching this and maybe this is your first one, I use the Bump app. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, that's the one that I use, and I like it. It's free. It tells me everything every week. Like the first few weeks of pregnancy, I would say the first like 15 weeks, I was obsessed with checking it every day, and now it's kind of like the same, so I don't check it as much. But anyways, this says that baby is learning equilibrium, so the baby knows exactly where it is, up or down. It kind of knows all of that. I've had really bad what's it called, ligament pain this week. When I was trying to go on walks, really just walks, I was having really bad ligament pain, so that wasn't fun. But yeah, baby's also been moving a ton. It says that baby is growing more fat and more hair too, which means I'm going to be more hungry. It says that it's anywhere from 1.5 pounds to 2.5 pounds. I know my baby's heavier than that right now, so we'll see. It's saying sleep. We're worried about sleep. What else? Saying that constipation should be a problem. Haven't really had much of a problem. I think that's due to my diet. thank you for a plant-based diet for sure. Gas and bloating, I've definitely had some heartburn for sure. Not really gas and bloating. All over aches and pains. Not really, just that one ligament pain when I'm trying to walk. And that's really it. But yeah, that's it. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna wrap this up, but I wanted to get this out to you guys. Oh yeah, most importantly, look at that. Crazy, right? I'm still able to wear like my normal jeans, which is really great. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to do that. But thankfully I've still been able to wear, especially like my stretchy ones. So I'm gonna try to hold out as long as I can wearing my regular clothes. So anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you guys are new, please subscribe. Also, I'm gonna plug in video of the baby moving here, which I put on my Snapchat and my Instagram. So follow me there if you guys don't, and I will see you on my next video.